India Today Group will bring you global exclusive coverage from directly Tehran. We are the first Indian channel who reached to this location, especially when the US president continuously threatening Iran for negotiations at that particular time when an emerging new conflict have been coming on the world map. India Today Group is at the Iran capital Tehran, and we will be bringing all the latest updates and all the exclusive coverage directly from Iran. India Today Group is bringing you to the global exclusive coverage from Tehran, and right now I am at the Freedom Square, or you can call it Azadi Square, which is one of the most prominent places in Tehran. And today is the National Day of Tehran, and you can see right behind me a huge number of masses have been gathered here to celebrate the National Day. And right now, if you can see right behind me, the people have been coming with their family members. Especially, you can see a lot of crowd, lot of masses at the Azadi Square, and we will be bringing you exactly all the pictures from the ground. And why this National Day is important, because we have seen a recent conflict, recent riots in Tehran and many other parts of Iran. But after that, we have also seen that how America and the Iranian leadership have come face to face. Continuously, the US president have been threatening the Iranian regime change, but now we will bring you the exact picture from the Iran. And stay tuned for the more coverage, and we will be showing you what exactly happening especially in the Azadi Square. And masses have been gathered. The huge celebration is going to be organized here. People have been coming with their family members. There is a national holiday in Iran, and you can see what kind of management or what kind of celebration have been done on the Tehran streets. India Today Group will bringing you the global exclusive coverage from Tehran, and we will be bringing you all the ground report directly from the Tehran.